What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets. We have an update for you on the BDS Hostile Black Label Lighting Toyo giveaway. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I don't know where you've been. We just launched it last week, but a ton of you guys have already started picking up shirts, so that's super cool to see. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me explain it to you. So we have this brand new shirt. You can see we took the BDS logo, the Hostile logo, and the Custom Offsets circle and morphed it all into one. We got Custom Offsets on the sleeve, Toyo Tires on the other sleeve, and then all of the sponsors on the back. So why am I talking about this shirt? Because if you pick this up, this is going to be the easiest way to get you entered to win a complete truck transformation package from Custom Offsets. So you're getting any size, any finish Hostile wheels, including the forged wheels, any lift kit you want from BDS up to $2,000 in value, any kind of tires you want from Toyo Tires, plus an 8-piece rock light kit from Black Label Lighting. So like I said, the easiest way to enter is going to be to grab this t-shirt. Now, at the end of this contest, we're going to be making a contribution to Team Rubicon. If you don't know what Team Rubicon is all about, we've got a whole bunch of links on our website so you can check those guys out further. But essentially, they take our military veterans and active duty, as well as police officers, firefighters, EMTs, anybody that wants to help out in the community, and they respond to natural disasters and crisis events to basically help people out in the community that need that assistance. So we wanted to have a goal to raise about $6,000 for those guys, but because of the extra support that you guys have been chipping in, because there's an extra button to add an extra donation, we've already raised about $2,500. So that's super cool to see. These are a limited edition t-shirt, which means once they're gone, they're gone. So we only ordered a couple, I think we ordered about 2,000 of these. So that's all there is. Once they're gone, like I said. So if you want to get entered to win, and you want to help out a great cause, come to the website at customoffsets.com/giveaway, grab the shirt, and that's going to get you entered. Now, we're going to pick the winner live on June 26th. That's when the contest is over, so you only have until June 26th to get entered. We'll be live on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, the whole 9 yards on the 26th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.